Stormworm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Icon 5 for Cricket Wireless. So the Icon 5 is a new exclusive budget smartphone for Cricket Wireless. So this is the 5th generation of the Cricket Icon service from Cricket. So pretty cool there. So it is now available for $89.99. So this is a new budget smartphone. So do keep it in mind. Y'all guys will have a black pearl color option. So it's $89.99. For new customers. How about if you're an existing customer? It looks like there's no discounts or anything like that. So it's $89.99 across the board. So yeah. Alright. So the Cricket Icon 5 comes with a 2-year warranty, which is pretty cool, you know. That's always good to have peace of mind there. So anyways, this is what the Icon 5 looks like here. You guys have your teardrop mesh for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. The left side of the phone, it's gonna be hard to kind of see that here. So you got like a your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side. So it's kind of hard to see here on the screen because of the color and stuff like that. And then on the back of the Cricket Icon 5 is your camera. I think it's a single rear camera, maybe. I don't know. It looks like it could be dual camera, maybe. I don't know. But your camera flash is on the left side of the camera there. Your fingerprint sensor on the back, Cricket logo. And it looks like it's made of plastic. So, yeah. So, keep that in mind. I don't know if it's dual cameras or not. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. So it's kind of interesting there. So the Cricket Icon 5 has a 6.5 inch display, 13 megapixel main camera, 32 gigabytes of storage. It says introducing the Cricket Icon 5, where premium look and feel meets budget friendly and affordable. Enjoy movies, shows, and browsing on the vivid cinematic 6.5 inch HD Plus display. Powered through the day with the Icon 5's quad-core processor and long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery. While scratch-resistant glass protects your view, face unlock and fingerprint sensor offers added security and convenience. Stress less and smile more, knowing Cricket Icon 5 is backed by Cricket's 2-year worry-free warranty. 2 years, all smile. So that's a win. So you get a 2-year warranty on here. You also get face unlock and fingerprint sensor on here. Not bad for a $90 smartphone. So that is a win. Features: vibrant large display. Enjoy your favorite movies and shows on the massive cinematic 6.5 inch HD Plus display. The 20:9 aspect ratio allows for more space to write, navigate, and browse. The 2.5D curved glass display gives the screen a smooth, seamless feel and offers scratch-resistant glass. Long-lasting battery. Spend more time streaming, gaming, sharing, and less time worrying about battery life. The Cricket Icon 5 features a large 4,000 mAh battery with battery saver mode to keep you going. Effortless unlocking. For added security, the Cricket Icon 5 offers both fast unlocking and a fingerprint sensor for quick and safe access to your phone. So that's a win right there for $90. So you're getting both a face unlock and fingerprint sensor. That's a win for $90 on a smartphone like that. So that's a win. Specs: it has Android 13, which is pretty good. That's probably the only update. It's probably the only OS that it is on. Android 13. So don't expect Android 14 on this. Don't expect it to. Maybe the Icon 6 will have Android 14. We will have to wait and see. But anyways, your dimensions on the Icon 5 are 6.60 inches height, 3.05 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. 6.5 inch HD Plus display. It doesn't mention nothing about refresh rate or nothing like that, so it's either 60 Hz or 90 Hz, so don't be surprised if it's 60 Hz refresh rate there. Alright. Up to 64 gigabytes of internal storage. Wi-Fi connectivity, the 802.11 ABGN A&AC, alright? Cameras, 13 megapixel main camera. So it is one camera on the rear. I thought it could probably be two cameras on the rear, but it's one camera on the rear at 13 megapixels. Then you have a 5 megapixel front facing camera, quad core processor at 2 gigahertz, 4000 mAh battery, and the in-your-hand compatibility is there. And looks like that is it. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Cricket Icon 5 is now available at Cricket Wireless for $89.99. So if you guys are looking to get like a budget smartphone, a backup phone, or whatever the case may be, the Cricket Icon 5 could be worth checking out. The selling point of the phone, that it has a 2-year warranty, comes with the 2-year warranty, so that is very nice to have. Peace of mind right there. Has Android 13, which is very nice to see. And the specs on here are, you know, they're okay. I mean, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. But overall, not bad for a backup phone and whatnot. So the 2-year warranty is definitely a big selling point for the phone. So check it out now if you guys want to check it on out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.